was asking about the handwritten number, Ubaloyi did not explain that that's my handwriting and I was making notes. And also the number, it's there highlighted in big. Why didn't he say that? Why did Baloyi not say that? Why? Why didn't Baloyi say that? No, man. No. There's a lot of rot that happens while we are watching as South Africans. No. And then now he wants to act as if all of that part where Muzi tried to clarify, am I reading the number that is handwritten? He did not say no or explain further. No, he did not do that. Now, he is leaving that situation hanging as if he did not. No, he pissed me off when it came to that, Ubaloyi. He really pissed me off with the lies. Baloyi, what you did, we are watching in South Africa. We can see what you are doing.